Welcome back to 22 Car and thanks for clicking on the video. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 BMW M4. This isn't just a car. It's a bold statement of power, precision, and pure driving passion. So buckle up, because what you're about to see is the future of performance. The 2025 BMW M4 comes with a refresh that's not just skin deep. From the outside it looks sharper, more aggressive, and even more athletic than ever before. The iconic kidney grille remains, but the lines are more refined, and the LED headlights now have a sleeker, modern edge that makes the car look like it's ready to pounce even while parked. The rear has been slightly tweaked too, with updated taillights and a more sculpted diffuser that adds to its road presence. Under the hood, the magic continues. The M4 Competition X-Drive variant now delivers a jaw-dropping 523 horsepower. That's an increase that takes this beast from fast to furious. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just about 3.4 seconds thanks to its all-wheel drive system that grips the road like claws on concrete. The engine note? Deep, throaty, and pure music to any enthusiast's ears. BMW didn't just turn up the volume, they fine-tuned it to perfection. Step inside, and it feels like you're entering a cockpit built for control and comfort. The new curved display takes center stage, merging the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one seamless unit. BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system is more intuitive than ever, offering voice control, personalized settings, and a smooth, responsive interface. The carbon fiber accents, M Sport seats, and premium materials remind you that this isn't just luxury, it's performance luxury. But what really sets the 2025 M4 apart is the feeling it gives you when you're behind the wheel. It's sharp, in corners, stable at high speeds, and delivers a connection to the road that's hard to find in today's tech-heavy world. It's a driver's car through and through. If you love cars that stir the soul and push the limits, then the 2025 BMW M4 is something you absolutely need to experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.